Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aliza Hassan and my roll number is 89. Today I am here to present chapter number 2. First of all, we discuss talking to animals. As you can see in the following picture, which is about talking to animal. Now we discuss to talking to animals. कुछ एनिमल्स जैसा कि हॉर्सेस एंड डॉग्स के बारे में कहा जाता है कि एंड आई विल इंक्लूड पैरट एज वेल बिकॉज पैरट्स के बारे में कहा जाता है कि इनको कुछ सेंटेंस कुछ वर्ड्स रटा दिए जाते हैं तो वो बोल सकते हैं, जो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पैरट बोल देता है तो ही इज एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेशन. यहाँ तो इसमें कोई ज़ुबान मौजूद होती है या फिर इसको रटे रटाए अल्फाज याद रहते हैं. दैट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन जो पैरट्स करता है या रिस्पॉन्ड या हॉर्सेस रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज को खास तौर पर जिनको ट्रेन किया जाता है. आगे नो वी डिस्कस चिंपैंजियन एंड लैंग्वेज. 20th सेंचुरी के अंदर जो साइंटिस्ट थे दे अटेम्प्ट टू टीच चिंपैंजियन ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज. कैसे? बाय रेसिंग देम अलोंगसाइड ह्यूमन चिल्ड्रन. एक चिंपैंजी जिसका नाम गवा था. इट अंडरस्टैंड मैनी वर्ड्स बट डोंट वोकलाइज देम. पॉइंट इज दिस, वो समझ तो गया लेकिन इसे बोलना नहीं आया. Another chimpanzee, Vicky, was raised as a human child in the 1940th century and made poorly articulate attempts at words like mama and baba. This was considered remarkable because non-human primates look the physical vocal tract hidden from human speech sound. Now we discuss Vashu. Vashu, Beatrix and Guardian. Basically, she was a female chimpanzee जिसका नाम वाशु था. इन्हें अमेरिकन साइन लैंग्वेज सिखाई गई. दे रियलाइज चिंपैंजी couldn't learn spoken language. She even combined sign to form sentence displaying productivity in her communication system. Vashu also understood many signs than she used in English in questions. She even combined sign to form sentence displaying productivity in her communication system. As you can see in the following picture, which is about Sarah and Lana. Sarah and Lana were two chimpanzees. इन्हें लैंग्वेज सिखाई गई. सारा को प्लास्टिक शेप्स एज सिंबल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन सिखाई गई. She was raised as a human child and was even 5 years old when training bring Sarah learned to associate the plastic shape with objects or actions and could use. Like an apple, she could even form sentences and understanding complex structure. लाना ने भी सेम इसी तरह लैंग्वेज सीखी. फॉर एग्जांपल इसको स्ट्रक्चर सिखाई गई. सारा एंड लाना टू डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज. नाउ वी डिस्कस कंट्रोवर्सी. Critics surrounding whether chimpanzees like Sarah and Lana truly understand language. Their use of symbols may not involve understanding language, comparing it to pressing or vending machine button. Next, we discuss conscious language. One more chimpanzee experiment learned as while symbol system while this mother matata was being trained. He developed a vocabulary of over 20 250 symbols. Conscious also used the symbol system to question his favorite movies. Now we discuss using language. Effects to teach Imagine like Washu and Conscious a form of language. Reward then they could interact with human sign a symbol system created by whoever they did not reach reach the English vocabulary of a human child about to enter preschool. Now we discuss study question. What is displacement? Displacement is a property of language that follow language use talk about things not present in the immediately environment. Second question is what is the What is difference between a communication system with productivity and one with fixed reference? With productivity, this system can create new experience and the potential number of experience in infinity. With fixed refers it is a fixed number of signals in the system, and each signal only react to a operational object of occasion. Third question is why is reflexivity considered to be a special property of human language? Reflexivity is the property that enable human to use language to think and talk about language. Fourth question is what kind of evidence is used to support the ideas that language is correctly transmitted. One example of the correctly transmission is a child with physical feature from his nature while grow up speech English and not cornea. Which five question is which English words was Wiki productive to be able to say mama, baba and cup. Sixth question is what productivity did Vashu's language seem to have, which she used an experience such as water bid to be referred to productivity. Productivity system प्रोडक्टिविटी इसमें इसलिए कहा जाता है कि वाशो को साइन लैंग्वेज सिखाई गई। उसने एक वाटर बर्ड लिया और इस पर अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट किया। Seventh question is who did the guardians try to show that Vashu was not uh, uh, performed signed by made intelligently human. The design experimentation in which human could broadcast and Vasho could still productivity correct sign to infinitely object in picture. Eighth question is in Sarah could use a gray bracket shape to convey the meanings of the words read, which properly doesn't her language seem to have. Obedience. What was the name of the language that Lana learned Yakrish? Last question is what was considered to be the key elements in Akansia's language learned? The key elements seem to early experiment to language use in use.